So, you want to write a novel, but you're not sure where to start. You're not alone. Millions of people dream of writing a book. Very few actually finish one. In this video, we'll walk through a simple, clear roadmap to writing your first novel. Think of it as your creative writing guide, powered by ChatGPT. Follow these steps one by one, and you'll go from blank page to finished draft. Step 1. Start with a core idea. Don't overthink it. Ask yourself 3 questions. Who is my main character? What do they want more than anything? And what stands in their way? If you can answer those 3, you already have the seed of a story. Step 2. Build your characters. Give your hero strengths, flaws, and fears. Ask ChatGPT questions like, help me create a flawed but likable main character, or give me 5 possible backstories for a detective who's afraid of failure. Use the answers as inspiration, then shape them into your own. Step 3. Sketch a simple plot. You don't need a complicated outline. Try this basic structure. Beginning, your character's normal world. Middle, things get worse as they chase their goal. Ending, a final choice, a big change, or a reveal. You can ask ChatGPT, outline a 3-act structure for a mystery novel set in a small town, and then tweak it until it feels right. Step 4. Set a realistic writing habit. Forget about perfection. Focus on consistency. Maybe it's 300 words a day. Maybe it's 20 minutes. Small, steady progress beats rare, intense bursts. Step 5. Write your messy first draft. This is not the time to edit. Let it be rough. If you get stuck, ask ChatGPT for help with the next scene, a bit of dialogue, or a description. Use it as a brainstorming partner, not as a replacement for your voice. Step 6. Revise. Now you shape the story. Look for plot holes, flat scenes, and confusing parts. You can paste a scene into ChatGPT and ask, how can I raise the tension here? Or, what feels unclear in this paragraph? Take the feedback that fits and leave what doesn't. Most important of all, remember this. You don't have to write a great novel today. You just have to write a little more than yesterday. If you'd like to turn your ideas or scripts into explainer videos like this one, visit vidfactory.ai. There, you can create your own animated, easy-to-understand videos quickly and effortlessly. Start with your story. Then, let the tools help you bring it to life.